AI is writing reports, it's answering emails, it's even running meetings. But if you are not getting noticed at work, here is the truth. It's not your manager, it's your message. In the age of AI, the most powerful skill you need is not technical, it's your voice. Stick around. I'm going to show you how to communicate with confidence and presence in 2025 and beyond. Hi, I am Subhankar De, your communication mindset coach. I help working professionals, leaders, and aspiring change makers build powerful communication skills using real tools, not just theory. Because I believe this, the more clearly you communicate, the brighter you shine in the whole world. And today's video is about how you can become irreplaceable in the AI age by learning to speak with confidence and clarity. Let's be real. AI can generate content, it can analyze data, it can run customer support, but here is what it cannot do: build trust in a 30-second elevator speech, calm a frustrated client with your tone, inspire a team when the pressure is really high, speak up in a room and make people lean. That's your edge. But here is where most professionals fall short of. Number one, I'm doing everything right, but my manager does not notice me. I speak up, but nobody listens. People with less skill are getting ahead of me. Does this sound familiar? That's not about your performance, it's about your communication presence. The real reason you feel invisible. Most of us never taught how to think before we speak, structure ideas under pressure, speak with calm confidence, or match our tone with your message. So we ramble in meetings, downplay our achievements, talk fast to sound smart, stay silent in high stake rooms. And what happens? You start becoming invisible, even if you are delivering amazing results. In today's AI power packed workplace, visibility does not come from working harder. It comes from communicating smarter. Please understand this, write it down. You need to communicate smarter. Now, the three-step communication framework for you. And here is what I teach in my NLP based coaching sessions. It is simple, actionable, and life changing. Number one, anchor your confidence. Before any meeting, pause, breathe, touch your wrist or clasp your hands and say internally, my voice matters, I belong here. That's an NLP anchor and it works. Try it out. Number two, frame your thoughts. Speak in three parts: headline, example, why it matters. Instead of saying, I think we missed the mark last week, say our sprint velocity dropped 25%. It's because of scope creep. If we don't fix this, we will miss Q2 goals. It's a structured, sharp, and sounds like leadership. Number three, feel what you say. A lot of times you will speak, but did the audience fail to you? Your words are only 70% of your communication. The rest, tone, body, facial expressions. If you don't believe in your message, no one else will. Real story. Make it human. Make it simple. A client of mine, Akash, was a brilliant back-end developer, but in meetings he either rushed or stayed quiet. We worked together for 6 weeks, and he learned how to breathe before speaking, use the three-step frame, match tone with intention. 2 months later, his director told him, for the first time, we are really hearing you. He did not change his job, he changed how he showed up. It's time you do the same. Why it matters now? In 2025 and beyond, your resume matters, but your real value is how you show up and speak. Because your ideas won't promote you, your presence will. The person who can speak clearly, listen intentionally, and communicate calmly in chaos will be the one who rises even in an AI world. If you are someone who is feeling unseen at work, tired of being overlooked despite delivering results, or just want to become a clear, confident communicator, I am offering a free one on one clarity session to help you discover what's blocking your voice and how to speak with real presence. Book your session now, share in your comments, and we will connect in a room and have an actionable, dedicated plan for you. Let's unlock the skill AI can never replace: your voice. If this video gave you value, give it a like, share, drop a comment, and do share it with someone who needs to be heard. Subscribe to my channel for weekly videos or speaking with power, clarity, and confidence, because the world needs more mindful communicators. See you in the next one. And remember, don't just work hard, speak smart. That's how you shine.